Hi, this is Tai-Pan for Shanzai.com, and we're here today with Technode co-founder Gang Lu, and he's, as one of the co-founders of Technode, is also one of the founders of the new Collide event series that they've started out, and they're having their first event today. Can you tell us a little bit about the event?
Hi, my name is Gang Lu, the co-founder of Technode. I also could be the first time for us to organize what we call Technode Collide series conference. So actually, this is our first one for Collide, but we really focus on the cloud computing. So basically, we call this powering the China cloud.
Okay, so who are the key players that participate in a conference of this type?
Yeah, I think the conference, we're really happy with all the speakers come out, because all the speakers actually we invited actually come from different backgrounds. We have from hardware manufacturer, HTC, and especially VR is actually the sponsor of the whole conference. And also we have some kind of traditional internet company like Renren, the leading Chinese social networks. And also we have like 3G.cn, which is like the #1, mobile portal in China. So on the other side, we also invite some big companies like Tencent, like Shen does. So they are, we are packed of, really great speakers, but come from, different, background and talking about the same topic, cloud computing.
You've got different tracks and things that you're talking about today. What are the key areas that people are discussing about the cloud? Obviously, the cloud's a big subject.
Yeah, obviously the cloud actually is not a really new term. It's actually been there for a couple of years. But if you look at how we organize the conference, basically we do 4 sections. The first one is like cloud computing. Well, basically it's like the old term, but we try to figure out what's the latest, in the cloud computing area. The second, we talk about mobile cloud, because more people we talking about cloud computing. So actually, because we have new smartphone, we have new 3G or 4G network, which is much more mature than before. And the third one is kind of new. It's called a smart TV, basically the internet TVs. So we have speaker talk about that as well. And the last one, probably my favorite as well, because the invited aid will be one of the best, the mobile application service, and startups basically. Well, they come to present, how they understand the cloud service.
I guess those will be the new players that will take advantage of all that cloud goodness behind the
actually,
backbone for them.
Yes, actually they are the one, the closest one close to consumers, because people actually using them every day.
So do you think there's anything specific about the characteristics of the cloud and the development of the ecosystem, whether it's the apps, the hardware, or the cloud backend infrastructure, that's unique to the development of the way it's being done in China?
I think if you look at the good side, I think for me, just my personal opinion, I think for me is if you look at the mobile parts, now it's actually hard to tell the difference mobile and the cloud. It's everything that merged together. So for me, like we didn't see the ecosystem before, but now if you look at the mobile side, we can see the real ecosystem, because we see thousands of developers now working on the mobile apps, and we see, for example, like telecom companies, they come down to the ground and they want to talk to the new application developers. Need to mention, okay, the hardware like HTC or VR, and they are willing to welcome the suggestion or partnership from different parties, even they are small. Everybody are open up.
Yep.
So I think it's really good.
All right, well, thank you, Gang. We have some other coverage on our site for you guys to check, so make sure you check some of the articles that we'll be doing stories throughout the day today on the Technode event at the first annual Technode Collide.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.